I'm red fucking raw. Ow. Yeah, welcome back to our channel. I'm Billy. Today is it's a Sunday apparently. I don't even fucking know what day it is that we're on. But it's 9:46 in the morning. It only means one thing. Vodka time. Just waiting for Billy to finish off doing her girly things. I don't get it. It takes me like 2 seconds to get in the shower, put my shorts on, done. But yeah, whatever. She's got hair and stuff, I guess. I don't, if you didn't notice. Anyway, don't look at the fucking mess back there. I really can't be arsed taking the suitcases upstairs. We're here for like we're here for two, 3 more days. Anyway. Oh, delicious. Nutritious. And yeah. Oh, didn't lock that last night. Good job not in Liverpool. So as I'm waiting for Billy, oh! Splishy splash. Yeah, we're gonna go down to do ATV adventure and shoot some guns, mate. So I'm gonna pump action shotgun, M4 carabine, and some pistols. I've wanted to do it for ages, so very excited for that. Come with us because I think it's gonna be fun anyway. So see you in a bit. Billy's finally ready an hour later.
Yeah.
We're going to
ATV.
I'm going, yeah, shoot gun.
We am gonna shoot 5 guns and 55 shots.
55 shots. Yeah. Anyway, catch you on the road, mate. Yeah, I forgot to mention one more thing. Also got a GoPro. So yeah, we got that. I got a chest strap, so I'm gonna try and get that on the ATV, but I don't POVs. Double cannon. So yeah, basically, I can put this one down. I can then basically, I don't know, I wanted to put the GoPro down, obviously, there you go. So then I can put this little one, this is a magnet, goes under here, I think I might have already, and then it clips on there, and it's a lot less obvious than the GoPro, so you let me know which one you think's better. Anyway, see you in a bit. Just a quick one. These crisps in Thailand, sour cream and onion, top tier crisps, man. Top tier. So, really need something to eat before we go. And I said to Billy, is there a shop on the way? She goes, yeah. She pulls up at a pissing wholesalers. Ask her for a simple 7-Eleven, and she gives me a fucking wholesalers, man. Lost in translation, eh? It's all good fun, man. All good. The size of that. I feel like I'm in Costco, but for Thai people. Jesus, that's massive, man. Yeah, it's not the only thing that's massive around here. So we made it to 7-Eleven. It is actually almost 12 o'clock, so we have been quite late. Billy's got a croissant toasty. That looks alright, but I don't like croissants. The sun is baking me, bro. And then I got 2 cheese and ham toasties, classics. Can't go to Thailand without trying one of these, man. Really lovely. And then, well, next time, yes, we are sitting on the floor. Billy's gone for some rice, pork and rice. And then also chicken and sticky rice. And then I wanted to try one of these pizzas for a while, to be fair. But I've always felt like it's going to be wet when you open it, which I'm pretty sure it's going to be. But hang on, hold up. Yeah, it is wet. It smells like, do you remember them when Rustlers did fucking pizzas for like, not long time? Exactly how it tastes, the Rustlers pizzas. It's not bad. Shit cheese, shit dough. 2 out of 10. Protein 9 out of 10. Top tier, can't get better than that. So toasty. The fuck are we gonna eat that? I'll come back here. Billy's just saying you just go straight in with your hands. Mid. Not good.
อ้าวนี่คอสติกกี้ไร
It's not called sticky rice, it's called dry, overcooked rice. Is what it's called. I know it's a cooked rice, man. And then this is the pork, which looks the exact same with the chicken. Tastes a bit stronger, but exact same flavour. Anyway, mid 2 out of 10. This has gone up to a 3 tasting that. Alright, then we got a bag of goodies as well. Those snacks and shit. Those snackies. Anyway, you're gonna scram this, get down to the fucking
ATV
ATV place, and then it's only a minute around the corner, so we're alright. Oh, and I pussied out. I've had to get the sun cream, mate. I'm fucking red raw. I'm being in the sun again all day today. Fuck it, man. Oh yeah, probably tried yesterday, pussy or a bitch. That's what I am today. So, have you put sun cream on, kids? Yada. And do a video.
8 minutes
10 minutes. Yeah, we'll get there in a couple of minutes. So after us paddling yesterday, for 4 hours we were in that canoe. Yeah. Feeling a bit achy. I don't know what the fuck I'm trying to say. We're aching anyway. So. Yeah, another one. I got the passion fruit this time. Quite nice. Got a cold black coffee. I'll not be milking this. A little bit. You want a coffee, love?
Nope.
A little bit of water. Feeling better already. So that calls for drinky poo. It's got ourselves a little strawberry 196. Don't really like strawberry flavoured things, but they don't have anything else, so. Tastes like you expect, like strawberry. And we're gonna sink these and get to the ATV. Show you there. See you in a bit. Cheers, buddy. So, we're here at the gun range now.
Yeah.
Quite nervous to shoot because I've never shot before, but excited as well. But I'm quite worried about all my sunburns. I'm gonna use the pump action shotgun, so I think that's gonna have quite a kick on it. But yeah, excited nonetheless. Some of the safety things, they've just left us here. You know, kill each other. No, I'm joking. It's the purge, all for one. No, I'm joking. I don't think Billy's going to shoot because she's quite nervous. All the guns are on that wall there. I did take a picture. I'll post it here. But yeah, I'm excited. Billy's going to try and film me. They said we're allowed to film, so it's cool. Anyway. Ooh.
First and foremost.
Yes. Yeah, I'm excited for this, man.
เขายิงมือซ้ายพี่ถ่ายบริเวณซ้ายสวยชุดหนาวเล่นสวยโอเคโอเพนไปเป็นอัดไฟOkay, finish. Oh.
The first time.
For the first,
Oh yeah.
which gun?
This one.
Ah,
My favorite.
favorite.
Oh yeah. How do I do? Oh, this way.
Paper.
This way. Yeah.
ถ่ายรูปพี่ถ่ายรูป
M4. That was a fun gun, but I didn't realise there was only 22s. .22, sorry, I'm not American, I don't know this shit. But yeah, he's just gone back there to the gun cabinet to get the other one. But here we go, here's me shooting. What do you reckon for first time, mate? I reckon I could kill someone. Anyway, he's coming back now with a pistol, I think. There we go. We're about to shoot the 9mm in the Glock. Very excited. Slightly bigger than last time. Fucking adrenaline, man. There we go. Yeah, that's got a little more power. Whoa, good.
My ear are fucking dead. My ear fucking dead. I opened it one fucking shit.
That's good. 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 Wow. I love that. That's amazing.
I keep it.
Yeah.
The guy's just put bullets in his earplugs. What?
Okay, look, choose.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, thank you. Slow, look. Slow, hands strong.
Oh, that one's a lot more powerful. Jesus. Oh, photo? Shy. Hey.
Chai.
Hey, what yeah. How you feel?
Like adrenaline is going through me. Blood is pumping very fast. It's good.
He said he's gonna get another gun for you.
Yeah, I think it's the shotgun now. It's gonna fucking wreck my shoulder, mate. Burn all the way up here, but doing it for you guys. Actually, I'm doing it for myself. Anyway, see you in a bit.
This one is a neck gun, but I don't know what it is. Let's see.
Okay. I'm loading a revolver.
Strong. Okay, look red dot. Okay.
Wow, that one's got power.
Reload 2.
Good. That is cool. That is better. Like the old westerns. Hold up.
Wow. What you get?
They're getting worse.
But it, yeah, see how
They
it
get harder
power
to shoot the more power there is, which makes sense because of the recoil on it. But yeah, that is fun, man. Nervous for the shotgun. Very nervous for the shotgun. Now feeling that revolver. Shit, man. I'm only small, guys. I'm only like 5'6", I weigh 65 kg. I'm fucking tiny. But if I can do it, you can do it. Don't be a pussy. Dancing on bullet shells.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take a look. Okay. Let's open.
Yeah.
Ready? Close.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's good. That is. Oh, okay.
Okay. Reload ปัง reload ปัง Okay.
sick. That was good. That was cool. That was very good. That was fun. Whoa! Wow! That's the drill, right? He's fine. Recoil on the fucking wall, yeah. That is cool. There you go.
Oh
Have a
god.
look at that. Sprayed the guy. On his shoulder. Oh, that's cool. That's very cool.
ถ้ายิงคนนี่พุนแน่
ใช่ครับคุณครับ Yeah, so, yeah, that was bloody amazing. I love that.
ๆ Be careful ที่รักที่รัก
ไว้ทางขวาก็ได้ครับเดี๋ยว
Right, so that is a rush, man. That was adrenaline. Here goes all the guns. And I'm not going to show you the kids and stuff. Sorry. There's all the guns you can shoot. Definitely come down to here because they let you film and they're really cool. Really cool guys. My shoulder's wrecking now. I knew it would, but fucking hell, that's a rush. Definitely come and have a go at that. Even if you're scared, you shoot a 9mm. It's adrenaline.
Scare
Are we recording? Yeah. So, we just finished with the guns. Well, I have. Fucking wrecked fuck out of my shoulder. But yeah, see, look. Told you we're going to get wet, mate. And dirty. Billy didn't believe me that we were going to get dirty, so she put her jeans on. I put the old shorts on, then I got a hole in. But yeah, she's going to get on the back of me, which she looks excited about for.
Yeah.
And yeah, have a little bit of fun on the trails, mate.
มีคันเดียวค่ะมีหมายถึงว่ามีคนอื่นมาด้วยไหม
Yeah, you're going to get muddy, mate.
Just have us
Oi, come here. Oh, just us? Nice.
You and me
Yes. It's alright, mate. See, treat your ladies right, man. It's not hard. All they want is a bit of taking care of. Feed them.
ปกติมีคนตกไหมคะ
Water them. Let them sleep and take care of them a little bit. It's not hard.
Depend on who right
Yeah.
You right night we don't fail
Oh, we're gonna fall, mate. Shy.
แต่หนูใส่รองเท้าแตะไม่มีปัญหาเนาะ
This is a
แล้ว
big
ถ้าหนู
quad.
อยากจะถ่ายวิดีโอหนู
Oh, we got reverse as well. Nice.
เกาะอย่างนี้เลยอะ
On.
อันนี้ดู
Okay. Brake. Yeah. Back. Front. Back.
อัน
Front.
นี้เบรกหน้า
เบรกหน้าทั้งคู่เบรกหน้าเบรกหลัง
โอเค
Same thing.
Forward
Front.
Forward,
Back.
back, yeah.
Shy. Go.
go
Yep. Neutral. No go. Yeah.
อันนี้เกียร์คือทำอะไรอะพี่
And then forward,
มีเกียร์หน้า
backwards.
เกียร์หลังคือถอยหลัง
Go
back
back. I know what's going on, Billy.
N ว่างแล้วก็ F
Forward.
โมเมนต์นะ
JK, no worries. So Billy is fucking shitting herself. No reason. We've only come off like 3 bikes. Good. Let's go. Hey. Don't worry. I'll be careful. Oh, it's got some fucking power, mate. Nice. Stand up. Billy, if I stand up, you stand up. Can't go too fast, lads. Got the lady on the back. Here you go, stand up. Woo! Yeah, get that dust trail, man. Got it drifting around the track, lads. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Nice. Almost went off, Danny boy. Fuck me, this guy's wild. He must do this every fucking day. Multiple times. He's flying, man. I don't even think I can keep up with him. Oh, we got it going. Yeah. Oh, we almost got her off. Fuck. Nice. Hear the guns in the background. Rocks by there. Better be careful by here, Danny. Oh, Danny boy. Oh, this is so much fun, man. Definitely a must. Definitely a must.
obviously they got these in like, whoa. They got these all over the place in Thailand, so definitely go to one of them. If you want to go to this one, I'll put it in the link below. Oh, we're doing donuts. Almost. Fun, man. Should I picture? That was fucking brilliant. Good. What do you think? All right then. Ooh, turn it back on and there we go. Oh, he's off again. Whoa. Well, yeah. Oh. Hey Billy. Yeah, this is brilliant, man. Yeah, buddy. Obviously you can't see me getting the back end out, but I am. Back end out. This guy is... This is so much fun. Right, there we go, mate. There we go. This is a lot bigger than it looks on the camera. Well, to me it is anyway. Right, commit. There we go. Straight down. On the brakies, on the back one, get her out. There, buddy. Oh, almost. A little bit too much power a second ago. So obviously this guy knows where he's going and I fucking don't. Fucking hell, he's crazy, this cunt. Oh. Whoa. A little bit rough on the old ball bag. Beautiful. Wow. Fucking amazing. I wish I brought my drone now. Oh. That's good, that, man. You okay, Billy?
I'm alright.
How's your feet doing?
Nice.
Look at your fucking feet, man. Look at this cunt. Move yourself, darling. That's fun, that, man. Oh, I see. He's done it so we can get a picture on that. Beautiful. Arms are red raw now. Okay. Oh, cap. Go. Right then. Back on the trusty steed.
Let me in. Wait a minute, don't worry.
All right, Jay, ain't you? Fucking sunburn, you cunt. Down the cliffy boy. Nice. Fucking hell. I see what he drove. Open her up, cow. I'm gonna piss Billy off again. Hold on, girl. We're going off-road. How do you go that way? Oh shit. All right. All right, Danny boy, hold on tight. 'Cause these brakes aren't doing fuck all for us right now, to be honest. Wait, there we go. We got down there. You just got to commit, man. And back through the little pondy boat. Hey, Billy. Whoa, kicking up some dust here, man. Hey. Yo. So we got a free private tour here. GoPro's a little bit dusty, mate. Yeah, this guy definitely seen me before. He wants to have fun. Fuck the family trip. Get this guy off-roading. Fuck yeah! Push it a little bit. Not too much, lads, because I got a girl up at that, remember. We can't have too much fun. Obviously, if my girlfriend was on the back, I'd be ripping it more, but you can only have a little bit of fun with a girlfriend, you know? Almost. Oh, it's turned off.
Hey, run down.
I broke it. It turned off.
Can you put that again?
Yeah, I try. Neutral. Brake, no. I broke it.
Big.
Ah, there we go. Beautiful. Oh, no. No cut out.
You not him in the right.
The what? Can I follow him all right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, good speed. Yeah, there we go. Pop that into forward. Beautiful. Oh yeah. There we go. Back in action, Danny. Oh yeah. How'd it go?
Hey, Hamida!
Oh, he's fucking behind us. Ah, cool. Water monitor, is it? The guy did a fucking joke on us. Giddy up, girl. Woohoo! This guy is fucking crazy. He's just sending it around these corners, not even looking. Obviously he knows the track. He knows nothing's coming, but I don't. Almost wrapped it around a tree. Going for the lagoons, mate. Get that traction. Having fun back there, love? Oh yeah. There you go, love. You want to go stand up for this? Oh yeah. Full throttle, Danny. Let's not jump in the pool this time, innit? The pool's jumping on us instead. Yeah, this is an adventure. It's so much fun. God, I've fun like this since I was about 8, man. Yeah, buddy. On the downhill now. There's this guy going. There he is. Oh, fucking hell, let's see that. So obviously I'm a small guy. I gotta fucking push my weight around the quad to keep it steady and also swing it. That's why you're probably seeing the camera go all over the place. You had enough yet, love? I haven't. I could do this all day, mate. Thumb's starting to hurt now. Almost had an hard time. Locking up here. Don't lock up, don't lock up. Don't be a pussy. Commit. Commit. If you squeeze on the brakes, you're just going to lock up, skid and go into something. You want to be able to control where you're going. So if you brake, you're going to lock up. And that's not good for anybody, so don't be scared to let off the brake, but tap it to slow you down. And don't be afraid of the front lever, man. Yeah, maybe 30 minutes would have been enough. Tabletop, bang! Didn't see that. Oh, and I forgot which one is the front and back brake, to be honest, so that's probably why I'm pressing the wrong fucking one. Oh, wait. Gonna help this guy out.
Stop it.
Yeah, it's fine, you'll be alright. Pull or push? Pull. Yeah. There she goes. Woo! Got him. There we go now. Back, back. Forward. Right, guess we're going that way. This guy is fucking bonkers. Fucking hell, I can hardly keep up with the cunt. Can't see the bumps. Oh fuck, I see why he went round. Billy, bump. Hey Billy, bump. Hey Billy, bump. Yeah. Oh, I was almost tipping the fucker. He's got some balls, this man. He also doesn't have a girl on the back, so if Billy wasn't here, I'd be fucking sending it a bit more. But gotta respect the ladies, mate. Oh yeah, yeah. Have a quick sendy. No, almost. No fucking way. It's alright, darling. I think I've cooked it. Good, good. No, no good. 2 seconds. There we go. Beautiful. Kapunka. Whew. That was fun, that, man. Oi. You fat little bitch. Yeah, that was good, that. Definitely wear old clothes. He's gonna wash us down now. What a guy. Kapunka. Thank you so much. I'm doing this one, mate. There goes me vannies. Yeah, so as you can see from Billy, you do get dirty, man. You get very dirty, but well worth it. Yeah, that was fun, that, man. That was fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah, you look fucking. You look fucking. You work a lot of shit. Like, look at your face.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. Kapunka. Thank you. Oh, yeah.
Hey, me a show, man.
Told you not to wear makeup.
How my face look like? How your face look like?
Pretty much.
You want to have picture of us?
Yeah.
Like you fucking what?
So that was a lot of fun. We're at ATV Extreme, is it called? I'll show you. I'll put it somewhere here. But yeah, well worth the money. It was only, how much was it? 3,000. Yeah, 3,000 for her to come on the back of me as well. So it'd only be like 1,500, something like that. But yeah, well worth it. Guy we had was absolutely bonkers. Fucking loved it. And they took us on our own little private tour because they seen it was just us two and there was a family, so he goes, I'm gonna take you two. And he just fucking sent it, man.
Look at my face.
I've already had a little wash, but fucking hell, the adrenaline is pumping through me now. Definitely well worth a go. Definitely well worth coming. So you can shoot guns and record it if you want, and then go on an ATV. Brilliant. Anyway, we're gonna go home for a shower and then maybe pop down to the beach or something. Right, so just finished off Krabi shooting range. I'll put the link here if you want to come to this one. They're really cool here. Had a lot of fun. Guys are really good. But yeah, like I say, anywhere in Thailand that you are, Phuket, Chiang Mai, I think there's some around Bangkok, like an hour outside of Bangkok or something. Yeah, definitely worth a go. Come to shoot some guns and fucking ATVing. Definitely worth it. But bring old clothes. We're gonna go home and have a shower. And then we wanted to go to the beach straight after this, but yeah, no chance, mate. Anyway, we're gonna go home and have a shower, chillax for a minute, and then get ourselves down to the beach. So, see you in a bit, buddy.
Booty.
Obviously it doesn't want to turn, man.
Yeah. Yep. And here we go.
Here we are, back at the bloody villa. Just got a shower. I'm gonna go down to the beach. So we're back at the room now. We are dirty. So yeah, definitely take old clothes if you're gonna do it, or go and buy some from down the market before you go if you don't want to wreck your clothes. That'd be a good idea, they're cheap. But yeah, fuck now, that shotgun, man. I'm only small, like I said. I'm 65 kg, 60 kg. That's fucking wrecked my shoulder. I'll put a video here of me doing it. Oh no, there's already videos, you've already seen it. Never mind, I forgot we filmed it on the fucking camera. Yeah, so you would have seen that, fucking smashing my shoulder. The guy was like, lean forward, you're small. I was like, cheers mate. But yeah, fucking wrecked my shoulder. Well worth doing, though I would do it again. I might actually go back tomorrow and just go and shoot that shotgun again. It's fucking amazing. I can see why you Americans like this. The ATV was fun as well. Could have done with doing that first, though. I think you only need about 30 minutes on that ATV. It's ATV Extreme, and fuck me, do they mean extreme. That guy was nuts. But yeah, if I didn't have Billy on the back, I probably could have sent her a bit more, but I don't want to hurt her, obviously. I don't mind hurt myself, but I don't want to hurt other people. So yeah, didn't floor it as much as I would have, but you know, still had a good go. So yeah, if I were you though, I'd do the ATV first, then the shotgun, because fuck me, that takes it out of you. I'm gonna go and get myself by the little poolie, mate. I'm gonna have a shower first. Gonna get myself by the little pool for an hour or so. Chill out, decompress and all that. I'm still burnt to a fucking crisp as well, and plus like I proper need a shower. But yeah, good fun, would definitely recommend, well worth the money. It was 9,400 for 55 shots, package deal with, that was all the guns that I shot, the ATV for an hour, and Billy on the back as well, so the class is like 2 people. So yeah, about 9,400 baht, which is 240 quid, 250 quid, something like that. And yeah, I'd say it's well worth it. If you got the money, definitely go. If you don't have the money, go and watch somebody else do it, because it's fucking brilliant. Because like you stood there in the office and bop, 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 and it's just like fucking exploding in there. It's brilliant. So yeah, even if you got the money to just do one or the other, or if you don't, then unlucky, you shouldn't be here. Because why you come to Thailand with no money, you stupid cunts? It was dead cheap, let's just go on a backpackers holiday and walk around and do fuck all. Now what's the fucking point in that, doing that shit, man? That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. Bring money with you, do stuff, pay for nice places, stop lying in a fucking bed with random people in your room, you fucking weirdos. So yeah, even if you don't have fucking money for this, because I understand this is a lot of money for people, you know, like you could easily get somewhere relatively nice at your own room for like 20, 40 pound a night, you know, and it's nice. You don't have to be like buying stuff like this. Obviously, I've gone out a bit. I've gone like all out this holiday. Definitely come, definitely bring money with you, because it's more fun with money. I've done it a few times when I've come with like hardly any money, and then we end up just sitting there doing fuck all, and alright, it's nice being here, but it's much nicer to be able to go and do something as well, you know, and actually like give back to the Thai community and shit, because they rely on tourism as well, you know, like heavily. So, you know, remember to tip your people. It's not much to us, it's a lot to them. You know, I give the guy a £2 tip, £2.50 tip, 100 baht tip. He was like, oh wow, thank you. You know, dead happy. If you want to go to that one. If you're somewhere else, go to a different one, because definitely fucking brilliant. Anyway, I'm gonna have a few drinky poos, have a little nap by the pool, I think. Have a shower first, because poo-wee. Yeah, anyway, see you in a bit, Danny boy.
See you a bit, buddy.
So, I'm all showered and ready. Red lobster over here. What are they called? Squidgy drumsticks. Oh, not drumsticks, but squidgy sweets, you know what I mean. The sun is beaming, bro. Like, that is hot. I can. Obviously, it's hotter right now for me because I'm burnt like a cunt. Billy said she wants a nap for an hour, which is fair enough. We've had 2 rough days, to be fair. I'm gonna sit here in the shade because I don't think I can sit in the sun anymore. I'll die. Have a little drinky poo, I think. Beautiful. And wait for the creature to wake up. And then I think we're going down to watch a fire show tonight. Get a bit of food, obviously. I'm British, so that's the first time I've ever shot a gun. I'm 26 in 2 days. Oh yeah, by the way, it's my birthday in 2 days, if you didn't just hear me say that a second ago. I'm going to be 26, I'm 25 right now. So I'm going to be 26. We're going on a boat trip with Boat and Beyond. I've already booked it, it looks really good. Doing the 4-island tour, give you a little picnic of stuff. Go to a couple of different islands, you get good, really excited for that. But yeah, no, a lot of fun. I'd say my shotgun was the favourite, then maybe the revolver, and then maybe the Glock for the top 3. Then probably the high power and the M4 was last. That's what, that's what I mean. You might say you really want something, you might say you really like something, and then you go and try new things and you find your new favourite. So get out there, man, experience shit, experience new stuff. You might find your new favourite thing, you might find your hobby, you might find the thing that you were made to do. But you're not going to know if you're sat there in your bed doing fuck all. So get out there, see the world, experience shit. I'll see you in a bit, Danny. So yeah, back, full update. We've come to an Indian restaurant, just before the Al Strip. Looks quite nice. Well, I haven't seen it yet, so we'll find out. But yeah, we've been saying we're going to get curry for a good couple of weeks now, so finally getting it. Plus the traffic out there is just, I don't like driving in crazy ass traffic when it's dead tight lanes. If it's like on a 6-lane motorway and there's loads of traffic, I'm not bothered. But when it's like one single lane and there's a 4x4 coming up the side of you and you're on a tiny little 110cc, it's a bit like bum twingy, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, you can tell I'm not local anyway, so we pulled over and gonna get a curry. I'm gonna put a pin in the map. Oh, we've got another bike.
Yep, again.
This is the 4th day and the 4th bike.
More like a you change every day.
Yeah. So yeah, we're not doing well with the bikes, but cool. Anyway, cut to me with a curry in my hand. Well, that'd be weird if I had a curry in my hand, but comes to me with a curry on the table. So the food's come and it's pretty good. Kilo rice, curry, butter chicken. That actually looked pretty decent, that. And then some garlic naan bread. Here we go.
Your favorite one, my one, you are.
Pretty good.
Spicy na.
Spicy. Try to make it. Butter chicken's good.
Which one you like?
I like mine more. Yeah, butter chicken is good. Anyway, I'm enjoying the food, and see you in a little bit. We just went. So we just went to the Madras Cafe. Fucking good curry, that mate.
The ricotta is amazing.
Yeah, my mouth's on fire now though. So. See you in a bit, birdie.